Kardom, B News Thanbang Nili Bapuram Senar, Birtang Tonpen Arjuponik Tha. SSA Nili Education Block Arlu Chukihola Along Kedu Chukihola English LP School Lapen Chukihola English ME School Afan Pini Karbiang Long Life Program Director Bikram Teron Pen Thir Jir Anong E Pajir Pon Lapen Headmistress Merina Tisopi Thanbang Jobson Rongphar Pen Chenglok Ongdung Ketheki Dingatum Chetong Dum Lapen Birtang Tonpen Lang Ponik Tha.
All creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful. The Lord God made them all, each little flower that opened, each little bird that sing. He made their glowing color, He made their tiny wings. Thank you. Praise our done.
Now we have a surprise visit from Curbing on Life today. So they are from the media person and they came here for best cleanliness award they are going to give for us. So request our president sir to say a few words and to lead the program.
Everyone. Nama tu mating no karap long pachuro perfect long. Today is the first time and nasibin ilitum ning rong perfect nangji ipon ma pulotang te ilitum aphan ilitum nang tum ke dovet ke thagvet kai tame ke chu ke jun lapen kitab ke charlie lapen ke jui tame nangletum ke dovet ke thagvet ke thek apotsi ilitum school aphan misen anong ki PJ Phansi ilitum mathengno ilitum kaching hon mate ilitum Karbiang Long angkang pi nang kelang pi nang ke cari pi etum Karbiang Long Life channel pen ilitum aphan award nang ki PJ Phansi ilitum mathengno banglo la saprangsi alang ilitum aphan nili school president lapen nili kachuroji ninghang la dake than ke chpaduk ilitum teacher dam hadame nili kachuro PJ polo alang ilitum dame ke than ke chbiduk lapen osomar tumpen ke dorap ke joirap alang ilitum pen ke Japon lin ke theklong basi alang na men ke churo pijir ponlo la penili churoji ninghang la bangso school noni lile kachiparu kanang jikali bontame phan ili tuma sar tum phan alang na tum puthot ili tuma phan hako aprang na thu keng kam ke me ke chiro pon thek ji phan anso se ke chipang thir na thu la bangso ward ke long ke lan le ili tum kang tong nang jikale lang bontame alang na tum hako ili tuma phan aprang na thu kachisik pon ji phan la ke sia akeng kam lo la penisia ang deng lo posini kroi pon lo la sang su se paduk pon je phan ilitum bori thulanang ne ka ching hon amu maratum lo ke charlie tame ang su se paduk thunang po la pen ke do ka chipang thir akenang sol lo la pen ke do ka chipang thir pen posi ilitum au pranta me sen po posi ilitum thexer ke thanatum.
How are you? Just now one young student, no, she fall on the ground, no. Why? Do you know about her health condition? Okay. Have you ever heard about Tenge? Huh? You hear, no? Tenge? Okay. So why we are here today? You students are very lucky from this Chokiola LP school, English school, because last time also we came here for a documentary news article. Nilitum kira honda litum nang thek long le. Do you know me? Nilitum bang lo madidi. Pasuda documentary video selam lo madi news selam le. Hala shoot malo ke don sar ke. Nursery sir. Nursery sir pan chini ne? Chinghon hai. Do you miss him? Yes. Say we love you, sir. Nursery sir, we love you. Say loudly. Say loudly. Thank you for everything. Okay. Ini nilitum da kewang bangke. Nihang nijang karbiang longdong. LP school ke doping lo na hok na dolo. Arong tin na dolo. Hawar tin na dolo. Akonstitusi tin na dolo. Di? Duma we school ke na hok na dolo didi. Sitame nangli tuma school phansi Best Cleanliness Award. LP school section na bangke Best Cleanliness Award nong e bangke nangli tum si kilong lo. Kadu dari cara tha? Kopi posi kilong lo, sini lo. Kopi posi kilong lo because your surrounding is always clean and you're all dressing uniforms, everything so neat and clean. Angke nangli tuma teacher dumta nakilang dun kecari phone mapping a joinesi school boundary da lang mes sen lo kai ki mata di laso joinesi nito ma news channel pen dei la pen nalito ma a video do an nalitum all kar binglo angkat kepangdak po nalitum ningaro re so are you all happy? Yes. This school was established in 1987 di nito na bikray lang suki. We are like you when it was established. Ko an ningka na PC award kelong lo muntita. This school has been recognized for best cleanliness after many years. Muntita.